Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. I've been looking to pick one of these up for quite some time and I just haven't been able to find them in stock. And I finally found one today, so I picked it up. I have the series, the first Elite controller, and it's seen better days. It's got one of the joysticks kind of drifts a little bit, so when I'm playing, a simulator game or something like that, and I have that set up to control the head movement. I kind of just start, veering off to the left or veering off to the right, so it's kind of annoying. But I picked this one up. It does have some new features that I'm looking forward to, like the charging dock and the USB-C charging rather than the battery, either the battery pack or AA batteries. This has the rechargeable battery built into it. Like I said, it does charge via USB-C, so that is pretty nice. It also has the little charging dock where you can go pee, there's a pass through on the case that you can use to charge it as well. Let's see, go ahead and open that up. Everything pretty much comes in the case right here. I don't think there's too much else in the box other than the cable right here. We do have a nice braided cable, and that is going to be USB-A to USB-C. I'm just going to put this to the side. I already have a few USB-C cables at my desk. And then right here we do have, looks like a guide. Looks like there's a Xbox Game Pass code in there, 14 days free. Maybe leave a comment and I will give you that code because I don't use Game Pass. But we have a product guide right here, and then just a little, basically how to pair it, looks like, how to charge it, what the lights mean, like battery status and stuff like that, and then how to pair it to your Xbox. I'm actually using this with PC. I have the little adapter for PC to use that. Go ahead and put all that back in the box. See, right here is your charging pass-through. It basically just, let's see, I'll show you on the inside here. There is a dock right here. I don't know if that's supposed to come off or not. It looks like it is, but this dock piece right here can be used inside or outside of the case. There's a magnet right here on the bottom, so you can put that. You don't have to have it in there. You can just put the controller in here by itself, or you can put this in here and the port lines up with the back of the case, and then when the controller is sitting on it, it charges the controller right inside the case. So you can do that. You can leave your case plugged in technically, and just plop your controller in there. We've got a couple of the customizable buttons on here. Very, very nice feeling controller. D-pad right here. We've got the little concave one, and then you have your regular, up, down, left, right D-pad right there, which is the one I'm going to use. So I'm going to put this one back in the case right there. Button right here. I think that is how you switch the modes, I believe. Everything else is going to be the same, basically for power and everything like that. You can change the stiffness of the buttons with this right here, so you can make them a bit stiffer, or you can loosen them up as well, which is very, very nice. And then we have your other thumb pieces right here. We've got some longer ones and some shorter ones as well, and they have different tops to them, so that's kind of nice depending on what you are doing, what kind of games you're playing. But that is the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. We also have a little net up here if you want to put your charger in there or something to take it with you on the go. You can do that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.